What's up, everybody? This is just a quick walkthrough of our stock charts, and I just want to show you how to use the tool. Totally free for everybody on the platform. Just an example of one of our many free tools that we have at investdaily.app. So the link is in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. Let's go and take a look at Amazon stock and their chart here. So we have, first of all, the volume, the low, the high, everything. We have a candlestick and line chart we can look at over the last month. But I'm looking for more of a 1 year time frame. How has Amazon stock done over the last year? And as you can see, it's kind of been neutral. And it's kind of been, yeah, I'd say pretty neutral from, let's say, 220 at the beginning of the period to 232 currently, and then the 52-week low is 161, 52-week high is 258. Now, this is for pro users. If you do end up signing up for pro, it's $7 a month. Great way to support the channel. And you get access to all these tools here, guys. All these pro tools that I'm launching. It's a one-man operation. I've been working very hard on this. But you get access to basically a detailed technical analysis, deep dive on Amazon, and why it's giving you a neutral signal based upon this chart. It explains everything. So that's just an example of what you'll get when you sign up for the pro version. But I digress. This is a new charting tool that I just launched on the platform. So this is totally free. All these charts, line charts, you can narrow it down by time frame, 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, all the way up to 5 year line charts here as well. You get the pricing data. So you actually get the absolute low over the last year of Amazon, 165.29. You get the volume for the day and everything else. And then if you look at the 5 year time frame, you'll see how Amazon has really traded down all the way to $81.69 around Christmas time. And then you'll get the weekly update on the pricing action all the way over those last 5 years. So pretty cool, right? Here's the 5 year time frame for Amazon. You can also look up mutual funds. You can look up REITs. You can look up pretty much any ticker symbol out there that's publicly traded that has one of these charts. So just hit the search bar again, load chart, and you will see here that VFIX ends up loading Vanguard 500 Index Fund Admiral shares. Gives you the accurate pricing. You can even generate the analysis on the 5 year chart. I'm guessing it's going to give us a bullish technical indication on this chart once it reviews it. Let's go ahead. And this is for the pro version once again, if you're a pro user. But I want to show you just how it works one more time. I'm guessing it's going to be a bullish signal. Let's see. Yes, it is. And based upon, it'll basically review the chart, and based upon the technicals, is basing upon momentum. Now, if you switch it to a different time frame, what's interesting, you can back test this. It'll tell you something different, because it's like over the last 6 months, it's done this. Over the last year, it's done this. So just part of the pro subscription, but this is totally free. Once again, a new feature I just launched. Also, guys, don't forget about our charts. We have free market news. We have a newsletter. We have the Investment Academy and our financial literacy test that will help you if you're new to the markets and finances and you need to learn some things. We have our AI behavioral coach, totally free. Financial calculators for calculating company metrics and things, and financial metrics like compound interest and stuff like that. So check all those tools out. But this is our free chart tool that I just launched. I wanted to go over this with you. And thanks so much for tuning in.